Welcome to Cutting Edge. It's about time for the most popular, most delicious Greek spread, Tzatziki.
For a kilo of really good Greek yogurt, not that non-fat crap, this is like the good stuff. We are going to need 4 small cucumbers or 2 large ones. I have here a bowl with a colander, and I'm going to grate the cucumbers on the coarse side of the box grater straight into the colander. Once we grated all 4, just going to clean this out of the box grater like that. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of good sea salt on top of the cucumber. And then we're going to mix that with a spoon. We want to add the salt now because that will help drain the cucumber for much of the liquid. We want them to be a little bit dry so we don't get a too watery tzatziki. There we go. And now we're going to leave that here to drain for 15-20 minutes. Once the cucumber, they have drained like this, as you can see, then we're going to press out the rest of the liquid with a spoon so that they get nice and, let's say, dry. They're not really dry, but they get, we need to take that liquid out at least. I'll show you now, because this will take out a lot. Look, quite a lot. Then we take our bowl, we add our cucumber. Like that. We take our beautiful Greek yogurt. This is so nice. That's the beauty about living in Greece, because here you get real Greek yogurt. So delicious. Once we have that in, then we're going to take lemon, do the zest of a lemon on our grater. Nice. And then we are going to do also the juice of the lemon. That, the other half.
That's very romantic, huh?
Now it smells excellent. By the way, this is lemons from our own garden. Just.
That's why.
Then we have 50 milliliter of good extra virgin olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, freshly ground, of course. And then I have 2 cloves of, big cloves of garlic, actually. Oh, we're gonna squeeze in. Wow, that was really big.
That's gonna be spicy tzatziki.
No, it's gonna be good. It needs garlic. I mean, it needs quite some garlic. That's sort of the, I don't know. That's, you have to have garlic as tzatziki. And then we're just gonna mix this up. Obviously, not obviously, but there are other recipes that also uses dill. I would advise against it. You can also add grated cucumber. Again, I would advise against it. This
what?
Cucumber. Carrot. Sorry, love. Carrot, but that's not good either. Keep it simple like this. It's beautiful in all of its simplicity. Here we go. Now we put a lid, and we're going to leave this in the fridge for an hour before serving, or better, overnight. Our tzatziki is ready. Time to give it a try, and all you need is some good homemade bread. There is a link down below how to make that, by the way. Excellent bread. That's darn good tzatziki. As I said before, keep it simple. This is so simple, so nice.
The ultimate Greek flavor.
Absolutely. Any one of you who's ever been to the Greek tavernas here in the islands, you will have tried this, but this recipe beats them all.